Okay, here's the question. I've got the summary here. So let's just write this in this form. So x minus 4 squared, isn't it? That will give you x squared minus 8x plus 16. So we might need minus 16 to cancel that, but we've still got a plus 7. So it's x minus 4 squared minus 9. So that's f of x. B, well, a was equal to minus 4 and b is equal to minus 9. Part B then, find the inverse function. Okay, so what have we got then here? Well, we've got this function here. It's defined on minus infinity up to 4. It's a quadratic, x minus 4 squared plus 9. So when it's 4, we'll get minus 9. It's a U-shaped curve. When x is 0 is 7, isn't it, here? And it's a U-shaped curve. That's the minimum. Because it's for this form. So it has to look like this. So that would be the function f of x. So if we were drawing the inverse function then, as a sketch, just to help us, it would turn this over and we get something that looks like this, isn't it? Yeah? And something like that, I think. Let me just get my head around it. Right, I turn off this page, the x becomes the y, and the y becomes the x. Yeah, I think that's right. And this value here would be the 7 there. Okay. Okay, I'm happy with that. So that's the curve it looks like. So let's have a look at the inverse function then. So y is equal to x minus 4 squared then, minus 9. So y plus 9 is equal to x minus 4 squared. Square root both sides. So x minus 4 is equal to the plus or minus square root of y plus 9. So x will equal 4, move the 4 over, plus or minus the square root of y plus 9. So that tells us then that y is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of y plus x plus 9. So I've done that there. So the inverse function then must equal 4. Now is it plus or minus? 4 plus or minus, so what value was this here? This was the 4, and there you got, so that would be the height 4. So the maximum height of the inverse function is 4, so it has to be 4 minus, doesn't it? So it's the minus, so let's just put it in here on the f minus 1, minus the square root of x plus 9, since f minus 1 of x has to be less than or equal to 4. So that's why we had the negative away from less than 4. Let's check the answers. Okay, number 9. So what's A and B here? X minus 4 A minus 4 minus 9 for A and B, which is what we had, and this one. And the inverse function minus f to the minus 1 has to be minus. Okay, good.